Welcome to Module 8.16, Maintaining Research Currency. The research landscape is constantly evolving, with new methods, technologies, and analytical tools emerging across disciplines. This module explores strategies for staying up to date with research practices so you can remain effective, innovative, and informed throughout your career. We'll cover how to monitor literature, track methodological advances, and keep pace with tools and technologies. A key way to stay current is by monitoring the latest research literature. Set up journal alerts or RSS feeds from top journals in your field to receive updates when new issues are released. Subscribe to table of contents notifications to scan what's being published. Use citation tracking tools to follow the impact and discussion of landmark papers. Engage with research social media, especially Twitter and LinkedIn, to discover new papers, debates, and events. Also, review systematic reviews regularly to stay updated on how evidence is evolving across entire areas of study. To stay informed on evolving research methods, follow methods-focused journals such as Field Methods or Journal of Mixed Methods Research. Look for special issues within broader journals that focus specifically on methodology. Attend conference tracks dedicated to research methods. These often spotlight emerging trends or critiques of existing techniques. Subscribe to methods blogs or newsletters that curate new approaches and tools. Finally, consider joining methodology working groups or communities of practice that meet regularly to discuss research design, ethics, and analysis. Technology is reshaping how research is done, from data collection to dissemination. Stay current with software updates and explore new tools in your field, such as coding programs, statistical platforms, or qualitative analysis software. Track data visualization innovations that improve communication and insight. Watch for new analysis techniques emerging in open science, AI, or mixed methods. Explore mobile and digital methods, including app-based surveys or remote interviews. And stay familiar with online platforms like REDCAP, QUALTRICS, or DEDOOSE, which continue to expand in capabilities and accessibility.